Friends, if you want to gain weight as quickly as possible, then this video is going to be extremely important for you. If your cheeks look sunken, you don't feel hungry, or your body feels weak, then watch this video very carefully. All the tips I am going to share, if you try them, will help you gain weight in a very short time. Your body will feel more energetic. After that, you'll be able to grow your muscles and build a good physique. So without wasting any time, let's go straight to the first tip. Tip 1. Increase carbohydrates in your diet. What happens is that when you increase the amount of fat in your food, the fat in your body also increases. But when you increase carbohydrates, when you eat carbohydrate-rich foods, it helps. You gain healthy weight. What foods are high in carbs? Roti, rice, bananas. All of these contain high carbohydrates. You can also search high carbohydrate foods on Google and start eating those items. This will help your weight increase quickly. Tip 2. Improve your appetite. A big problem many people face is low appetite. They don't feel hungry. If you don't feel hungry, let me tell you something very effective. When you wake up in the morning, drink amla, Indian gooseberry juice, or eat fresh amla. Amla helps increase appetite naturally. When your hunger increases, you'll automatically start eating more, and your weight will increase in a short time. Tip 3. Improve food absorption. Many people know about digestion, but they don't know about absorption. Whatever we eat first gets digested in the stomach. It breaks down into smaller pieces. After that, the body absorbs the nutrients. Until proper absorption happens, your weight won't increase. To improve absorption, you need to improve digestion. How? Eat high-fiber foods like chickpeas, whole grains, and beans. Fiber helps your food digest properly. Also, avoid too much fried and oily food because it damages digestion and absorption. You should also eat vitamin C-rich foods like lemon, orange, and spinach. Vitamin C helps maintain your intestinal villi so your body can absorb nutrients properly. Every morning, drink a glass of warm water with a little lemon juice. This will improve your absorption rate very fast. And once absorption becomes good, your weight will start increasing steadily. Tip 4. Take more meals. When we want to gain weight, we often think we should eat a lot in one meal. But that's wrong. If you eat more than your body can handle at once, the extra food gets wasted. So you need to eat 4 or 5 meals a day, every 3-4 hours. Small, frequent meals help your body utilize all the nutrients, and this will increase your weight properly. Tip 5. Try this weight gain recipe. Take 1 glass of milk, add 2 bananas, add a little butter. This mixture gives you protein, healthy fats, and high carbohydrates. If you drink this after waking up, 2 hours after taking amla or amla juice, you will see great results. Within just 30 days, your weight will start increasing noticeably. Tip 6. Use Nature Sure Double Mass Gainer. After your workout, if you take Nature Sure Double Mass Gainer, it will help you a lot in gaining weight. It is an all-in-one weight gainer that contains carbohydrates, whey protein, minerals, and vitamins. These help with muscle repair and weight gain. All its ingredients are 100% vegetarian and help increase calorie intake. Many people eat a lot but still don't gain weight because their calorie intake is not enough. This gainer provides healthy calories that help both men and women increase weight and muscle mass. Mix 2 scoops in 200 ml water or milk and drink it. It is chocolate flavored, so it tastes good. If you use it regularly, you will see results within a month.